Hi there! In this The Never Quit Life review, I'm going to show you a done-for-you life coaching program that can help you rebrand and resell a proven system focused on perseverance and personal development. Stick around because I'll also walk you through all the upgrades, OTOs, so you'll know exactly what you're getting before making a decision. If you are new to my channel, welcome. I'm an experienced six-figure affiliate marketer with over 5 years in the industry. I make these reviews to help you find the best tools and strategies to boost your online income. If that sounds good, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and tap the bell notification so you never miss an update. Oh, and before we dive in, I've got some exclusive bonuses for you if you decide to grab the Never Quit Life through my link below. Check the description for details. You don't want to miss them. What is the Never Quit Life? The Never Quit Life is a done-for-you 10-week life coaching program designed to help people develop perseverance and achieve their goals, no matter how difficult the journey might get. It's perfect for anyone looking to break into the personal development niche or expand their coaching business. You get access to ready-made coaching sessions, promotional materials, and a complete system you can rebrand and resell as your own. No need to create content from scratch. So what's cool about this PLR package? Here's a breakdown. 10-week coaching program. You get fully written coaching content that guides clients through building perseverance and overcoming challenges. Sales pages and lead capture tools. Everything is ready for you to start selling immediately. No need to write your own sales copy. Pro e-cover graphics. Ready to use designs for your course's branding. Affiliate Center allows you to set up an affiliate program to have others promote your coaching program for you. Promotional materials includes email sequences, banners, and other materials to help you promote and grow your business. And the best part? You get free updates to this content whenever new versions are released. How it works. Let's talk about how easy this is to get started. Here's how it works. Step 1. Log in and access your content and coaching modules. Step 2. Rebrand the content with your own logo, name, and any tweaks you want to make. Step 3. Start selling the program through your website, social media, or email list. You can also use the Affiliate Center to let others promote it for you. It's as simple as that. You don't need any technical skills. Just follow the instructions and you're good to go. Now let's talk about the upgrades. After purchasing the main product, here's what you'll see. Upsell 1, $37, done for you package. They'll set everything up for you, saving you time and effort. It's perfect if you want to get started quickly without doing all the technical work. Upsell 2, $37, resell rights. Upgrade, get the rights to sell this coaching program as your own with 100% commissions on every sale. Upsell 3, $97, high ticket coaching package. This includes advanced content, one-on-one coaching, or additional premium materials to maximize your success. Pick the ones that make sense for your business and skip the rest. What I like about the Never Quit Life. Here's what stands out to me. It's beginner friendly. If you're just starting out in coaching or PLR, this is the easiest way to hit the ground running. The content is high quality and well structured, so it's easy to follow and teach. You can create multiple revenue streams, sell the course directly, use it as a bonus, or even offer it in your membership sites. What could be improved? While it's a great tool, here's what could be improved. If you're looking for something super advanced or highly customized, this might not have all the bells and whistles of a high-end coaching program. But if you're just starting out, it's perfect. This package is focused on perseverance and personal development. If that's your niche, great. But if you're looking for something more specialized, you might want to check other options. So, if you're ready to grab the Never Quit Life and start making money with this amazing coaching program, use my link below. Don't forget to check out the exclusive bonuses I've got for you. You won't find them anywhere else. Thanks for watching my review. If you found this helpful, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews and tips. See you in the next video.